In this video, you will learn how to check in and check out projects in SMS Advanced and adding it to a data location. SMS Advanced software allows customers to have an unlimited number of projects, allowing them to easily organize data into different management trees. Those users can also have multiple data locations, such as on a shared server and their local machine. With multiple data locations, users can check projects in and out, allowing for easy transfer from the farm to the office. To begin, open SMS Advanced and click the Edit button at the top of the Projects dialog. You will then have the option to search for a data location and add new data locations. Search for a data location allows you to search for previously created data folders. For this example, click Add New Data Location to create a new data location on the local computer, network location, or removable drives. Select the location where the new data folder should be added and click OK. On the Edit Data Location Properties screen, you can modify the data location name, migration settings, and schedule backup settings. Leave these on their default settings and click OK. Once you have at least 2 data locations, you will then be able to check in and out projects. To check out a project, select the project you wish to be checked out. Click Check Out Project. Check Out Projects dialog will open. Click on the project you wish to check out and click Add. Click OK at the bottom. After the software copies the project onto the local machine, the username will appear after the project's name. Only the user that checked out the project can access it until it is checked back in. To check in a project, verify that the computer is connected to the drive that houses the shared data folder. Click Check In Project. The following dialog box will appear, asking what should be done with the project that is to be checked in. Choose one of the following options. Check in changes and remove the project from My Data location. This takes the updated project on the local machine and places it back on the server. This in turn allows others to work with the updated project. Check in changes but keep the project checked out. This places an updated version project back on the server but leaves the project still checked out on the local machine. Check in but undo the project changes restores to the original project state. All changes on the local machine will be discarded and the project will be restored to the original copy before the project is checked out. For this example, we will leave it on the default setting. Click on the project you want to bring back into the software and click Add. Then click OK at the bottom of the dialog. Your project will then be checked back into the software. You have now learned how to check in and out a project in SMS Advanced along with adding a data location. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.